Our products are used in the fishing and shipping industries as well as installed in the base stations. In the area of professional use, we have received high praise from various countries for providing total solutions to government agencies such as the Coast Guard. We are constantly developing and releasing innovative new products such as the fully waterproof portable transceiver and a multifunction remote access microphone, making it possible to operate a unit from a microphone. Floating, submersible IPX7 IPX8 waterproof ratings for 30 minutes. NOAA weather channels, weather alerts. New dot matrix display. High-resolution dot matrix display makes navigating the radio's many features smooth and easy. 6W transmit power output, selectable 6 halves 1W. 700 mW loud audio and noise cancelling function for both TX/RX audio. Rugged case construction conforms to military standard, MIL STD810F. Available in navy blue or black. Submersible IPX8 construction and it floats. DSC, Digital Selective Calling, ITURM.493 Class H operation. W2.60XH5.43 XD1.50 round case design provides excellent ergonomics. Top reviews from the United States. What more can they possibly add to a handheld VHF? Once again, Standard Horizon adds more features to a handheld. I can't speak to the issues people raise with regard to water tightness, but for full features you cannot beat this unit. Easy to program. I put in 40 MMSI-S for our fleet through a PC in minutes. The menus are better than the HX890, making it the easiest full-function VHF to use, and it even has a scrambler. I can't imagine another feature I would want on a VHF.